Hi, welcome to our channel. We are Ondra and Luce and this is our trip of a lifetime. After 10 long years we quit our corporate jobs, moved into a self-converted camper van and left for our dream journey in Scandinavia. We are now driving through beautiful Estonia and today we will spend an epic Estonian nature in its best autumn colors.
Good morning. So we just left the Lahemaa National Park and on our way to the next one, and I don't remember the name, something starting with E. We need to go shopping for some groceries. We also need to get some water because in Estonia it seems like it's not that easy to get water, you know. So we are in Endla National Park. Is it National Park or just some kind of reserve?
I think it's just a reservation.
Just a reserve? Yeah, so it's some kind of reserve with some bogs, you know, as usual. Medium-sized circle here has around 7 kilometers, so I think it should be fine. We have our headlamps again. We are prepared. And we've been here already, I think, as well.
Yes, we have been here.
So
it's a beautiful place, so we are coming again.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, now we can go. And the sun is shining again. It's nice.
This is our second time in Endla Nature Reserve. Last time it was summer and I wished I could come again in autumn when the bogs turned to autumn foliage. I could never guess I would be so lucky to see it so soon. We are walking through the countryside and forest all the way to the bog. The bog is so stunning in its autumn colors and the sunset adds golden light to the scenery. The water level of all the small lakes is so calm it's mirroring the red evening sky. In this extraordinary moment I can feel deep gratitude to be so lucky to be here.
I think you can swim there.
Go for it.
Awesome in here. It's so beautiful. The sun is just setting. There is hundreds of like little lakes inside the bog, which means that the bog is really old. Beautiful.
Okay, change of plan. The sun just set, and since the rest of the circle is like 4 or 5 more kilometers, we decided that we will just go back to the car right now, so we don't end up like yesterday going in the night through the forest, because the rest of like the bog is just, I don't know, like 500 meters, and then it's just going through a forest, which if you go in the night through a forest you don't see anything.
And there is bears and mooses and like who knows, so I think it's also quite dangerous.
I don't think it's dangerous, I just think it's boring because you see nothing basically. And we might return here tomorrow, I think, to finish the circle. Right?
Sunrise?
Sunrise, well, we'll see what's the weather like tomorrow. It's also quite cold, it started like raining. The wind started blowing. It's quite cold. We are just doing some drone shots here and my hands are frozen. Yeah, so we just go back now and see you tomorrow. Morning. It's 6:50 because someone had an idea that we will wake up with an alarm and go to the bog, right?
Yeah. It seems like you expect somebody will pity you that you wake up with alarm after 4 months. I think it's pretty common. But I think in my life I have never regretted waking up with alarm for a sunrise, so I think it will be nice. It's really cold, but it's beautiful. I already don't regret. So, we are in the bog. There is no fog.
No fog in the bog?
No fog in the bog, but it's beautiful anyway. And the duckboards, it's frozen.
Yeah,
So-
there is some build-up on the boards.
Yeah, so we need to go carefully.
Luckily there is this wire fencing on it, so it's not slippery, but you can hear it. And I think here you can see it. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go to the tower. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there is a flock of geese. Beautiful. It's getting also warmer because now it's like freezing cold
and the walkway, it's like crispy. It's like doing like cracking sounds every time we step on it. And I was really scared that I will fall into the bog.
Okay, there is no fencing up on the tower, and it's a bit sketchy.
So beautiful.
One thing that I don't like about sunrise is that it lasts like 10 minutes and then basically the magic is gone and the color of the sun is totally normal, and you know, it's very short for the effort that you have to put in. Or, you know, we just made new sunrise sunset theory. Because with sunset it usually lasts longer, right? But we think that it's because it's like from the worst to the best. You know, it's always a little bit better than, you know, minute before. So it gets better, it gets better, it gets better, and then you feel like it lasts longer. But with sunrise, it's like the most epic sun is, you know, it lasts 1 minute and then it gets worse.
Yeah, and you don't bother shooting anymore.
Yeah.
Because it's worse.
Yeah. So even though if it was sunset now, we would be like, oh, this is so nice. But now we are like, you know, we've seen better.
Mm-hmm.
So that's my sunset sunrise theory.
So beautiful. It's so good when I look towards the sun. I can feel the warmth on my face, and it's so much needed because it's so cold. Oh, it's so good. And now you have the answer why this is called duckboard.
Yeah, we lost the fencing and it's still very much slippery. But it's only a short walk. Come on, little duck. Now is the crucial part, which is going over this river.
Like this bridge, it's almost not a bridge.
Yeah, but I think from now on it should be fine again. Seems that the water level is quite high.
It is. The path was quite flooded, so we needed to go through forest and back to the path, and I think Ondra have totally wet shoes.
They are wet, but hopefully the Gore-Tex will.
Even I have wet shoes.
Yeah, but you won't have a trouble, I think, in there.
Yeah, it's better to overkill. That's my motto.
Yeah, I hope we are out of the worst, and now it will be just, forest path.
I just read, we told you about the summer flood, the 5th season in Estonian bogs, that sometimes the floods happen even in the autumn. In all the bogs there are these like sort of canals or rivers, and the water level rise up and they connect basically and create like water surface. So I think in small scale it's happening now.
Yeah, the sun is still quite low, and the light here in the forest is so beautiful. Like this soft yellowish light, getting on these little mosses, and
It's amazing.
it's nice.
And everything is so quiet. It's crazy slippery. Doesn't look like, but
You wouldn't think that such a easy walk can turn into adventure like this.
did we swim here last time?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think we just put feet in this pool.
I think so, yeah. And we were drinking coffee.
I know that I've said it probably 1,000 times, but it's always fun to return to a place where you've been before.
It is.
And you always feel like home, sort of, even though it's thousands kilometers from your actual home. But when you return there, it feels familiar, and it's
It's a nice feeling.
a nice feeling. Yeah, you should try it.
I would never guess that we will return to this quite random place.
Yeah.
It's not even a national park, it's just some nature reserve, I think. I would never guess we will come here back.
And Estonia,
Estonia, it's not like I've been twice or 3 times in Paris or in London, but like very random
and-
forest in Estonia.
yeah. It will be a nice day.
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
let's go eat.
Yeah. We're going to have coffee by the little lake that we showed you before. We have some cookies. And we decided to show you a little bit how it looks around here. So this is where we park, obviously. We have toilets right in front of the car, you know, one for each. So we have 2 bathrooms basically. And there is a huge dumpster where we throw our trash. And that's it. Everything else we have in the car. We also have fireplace, but we won't be doing any fires today, I think. Just the coffee.
Thank you. These are my favorite moments. Having coffee and beautiful nature.
It's always better to take it out.
It suddenly became memorable. When we came in the morning to this pier, I constantly remembered we had coffee in here 5 years ago.
Well, anyway, I think this will be it for this video.
So thanks for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.